I thank you for joining me. I'm going to be reading the Earth Class Notes, written by the 12th Apostle, entitled Earth Class Number 5. Consider these great truths that are still available to us here and now, where all in heaven are eagerly focused upon the people here on the earth. For you see, we are responsible to discern good from evil, for the evil ones have spread their many seeds of deception. Now, concerning the subjects that man is to understand here, the first, responsibility. We have a responsibility to learn the truth. The second subject, authority. We are to apply our divine authority to changing circumstances in our life. The third subject, mathematics. Mathematics can provide and enable an individual to construct, to create, to build most anything. The fourth subject, physics, the knowledge of the relation between physical matter and energy. Because of the misunderstandings concerning spirit matter, it's easy to jump to unfounded conclusions, such as God is a spirit that is everywhere at the same time, which is a major mistake. For this is an objective from the forces of the fallen ones to depersonalize God. The fourth subject, time. The measurement of duration. This is your time. Your time to believe and act upon these great truths. The sixth subject, logic. Logic is the way God wants an individual to think. How and what we think is a result of who and what we are. Consider, if Adam had learned the sixth principle of logic, he would have never been deceived. He would have completed his education, and he would have become God's perfect witness here on earth. This is what God intended for man to be and still does. Using logic is the correct way, so to speak, for an individual to think and apply these truths to the changing circumstances of life. The seventh subject, energy. Energy is the power man has to accomplish his desires on earth. The eighth subject, value. To understand that primary worth is not things on earth. No, true value is love, kindness, and respect. The ninth subject, communication. The most important communication is an individual's ability to communicate with the person of God. The 10th subject, prophecy. Prophecy being the accurate foretelling of major future events that will occur on earth, especially at the end of this age. The 11th subject, good and evil. This subject included the origin of evil and negative effects, consequences, and final destiny of evil produced by the devil and the fallen ones who followed him. God did not know this would occur, as all that God created was good and perfect. God intended and expected his two witnesses on earth, Adam and Eve, to, to close all accusations made by Lucifer once and for all. I should add at this point that God has the same expectations for you and I now. The 12th and final subject, life. Now we come to the most crucial subject for an individual on earth to learn and understand, for so few really do. You see, in order to understand life, we must understand death. Death is not a cancellation of consciousness or ceasing to be, for all conceptions on earth will last forever. Adam and Eve knew nothing of death, for they were experiencing life, which is an obedient relationship with God, expressing their love for Him through their obedience to Him. You see, God revealed His great love for them, and He provided Eden, their classroom for them to learn and understand all truth as God's witnesses on earth. If Adam and Eve had achieved God's expectations for them, their witness their witness would have ended Lucifer's accusations, and God would have created the new heaven and earth then. But things didn't occur the way God intended, and very few on earth have really pleased God, garnering even more of His love and grace through their love for Him and their obedience to Him. And achieving this, is life everlasting.